Hello guys, this is the trunk of my Subaru Legacy 2013. I want to show you how it sounds because I bet there is no any sound insulation here. You see, it sounds like a tin can, so if you're wondering how it sounds, I didn't apply yet any sound insulation, soundproofing material on the door, but as you can see, the sound is kind of quite different, and it sounds like a... So what we're gonna do, you have this, you need to remove this trim, you have all these pins here, clips, right? So I have some tools here. So those orange one I ordered it on eBay for $5, $4.3, I don't remember exactly, not a big deal, and they serve for trim, prying, peeling and removing some clips as well. This one will serve to remove plastic clips as well, so I will work it out and I will show you shortly the result. All clips I removed and you can see them there, this kind of clips. And this is the trim. It fell off right away. You can see what? Bare metal, as I said, and it's so we need to work out through those holes, so I suggest you to use protective gloves and first of all we need to degrease the surface, so I'm gonna use that kind of alcohol. See, it's 70% of alcohol because there are some residues of anti-rust treatment or so. I will use that kind of material I bought on Amazon.ca. I paid something like $100 for around 5 square meters, which is I believe it's a good price. The material called Heel Mat, and they said it's made in Russia. It's kind of country of origin Russian Federation. I doubt that, maybe it was made in China, imported in Russia, and so this is the material. You will need scissors as well, so I'm gonna show you later the result. Okay guys, this is the result. Normally you shouldn't cover 100% of the surface. It will be enough like 25%, 30%, and it already will cut the most of this empty can sound, and the material sticks perfectly. I really love to work with it. Looks like high quality. When you attach it, it sticks well without any problems, and you can bend it, follow the curves. Everything was fine, no issues with material. Sticks very well. If you see, I'm peeling it off, but it's kind of very well attached, and I will show you how it closes now. I bet the sounds now is much better, and now you can see some places I couldn't reach, but still it's much better than before. It's like even better than doors now. So follow up, I will post more videos about that, so thank you for watching. Okay guys, so I'm about to remove that panel in the trunk, and you will have clips around something like that. another two there. That plastic piece was there, it was two clips like that. I can show you this. So I will try to remove them and I will follow up. Okay guys, so you will have that piece here. So if you're wondering how to remove it without breaking, you should look here. This is how it initially, when you turn it that way, you can see it. You just pull it that way. So this is how it looks like from the inside. As you can see, that portion is from outside and that one is doesn't sound any bad. This one we can attach something at the top just to make it kind of quieter a bit, but this one is fine. You see, this one is a bit not that good, but this one is a terrible thing. See? And this one we need to attach something. See, this one is good. This one is not. This one is good. So this is it, and I will show you at the end how it looks like. Okay guys, so now I didn't put it everywhere, I just put 3 pieces. You can see. And let me knock so you'll hear the difference. So you see I'm knocking and you see the difference. It's much better now. Even maybe you see it vibrating, but no noise. So this is a good sign. And this sounds terrible. I'm gonna, you see, this one is good, this one is good. Okay guys, so I attached this here. Some pieces here you still see it, and I will put this piece right here. So I don't know if you have any good effect, but since I have a lot of this material already bought, I'm gonna attach it everywhere when I can. So this is it for now. So this is it. This piece is done. I can attach something here as well. But generally doing that way, you understood my idea. So I still have to. This is the power for my subwoofer. And I'm gonna also put the ground on this bolt, or maybe this one. So you'll see it later. So thumbs up. So okay guys, doing still my trunk. So it's the final steps here. So you can see, for example, how it sounds with protection, without protection. Yeah, okay, again. You see it's kind of not that resonating a lot. Now that place I'm gonna apply you here after, and that's like still resonating a bit, but I will apply the same Q mat here. You don't need to cover everything, you just some, like up to 25%. Here you can see I managed to cover the rest. I'm gonna apply it somewhere, that second material as well. And you see the trunk cover I covered already with that thicker material. So this is what we get. I attached that thick second layer as well here. So this is the end result. Okay guys, so this is that bonnet under the hood. You can see I removed the cover and so I want to apply this kill mat to make sure it doesn't act as a membrane. Tip here, be very careful when you remove these clips. They're really bad made, thin plastic. It's very easy to break. You see, I broke around 2 or 3 like that, so I will figure out later how I can replace this thing. Okay guys, so this is the result. And I suggest you to pay attention to these places, like here, because like you see here, that white piece, like some kind of insulation, it got cracked already, it's dried out, and that metal piece from the top will vibrate against this thing. So to make sure it doesn't touch, it doesn't reverberate, I apply twice this kill mat in such places around that gaps. So I hope it will help to prevent some noise. So when I believe there are some improvements. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching, and please press on like button. Okay guys, so the last thing I applied is 7mm thick material. Something like that. Hopefully it will have some outcome.